Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into 5 mouth-watering and healthy vegetarian dinner ideas. Think vegetarian is boring? We're about to change your mind. Bold flavors, vibrant colors, and textures that will delight your taste buds. Get your aprons on and sharpen your knives. Let's get cooking. First up, let's dive into these amazing stuffed peppers. These vibrant, flavorful peppers are bursting with a delicious mix of quinoa, black beans, and a kick of spice that will tantalize your taste buds. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures that your peppers will cook evenly and develop a nice roasted flavor. Next, halve your bell peppers and remove the seeds. Toss them in a bit of olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and place them cut side down on a baking sheet. Roast the peppers for about 20 minutes until they are softened and slightly charred. This step adds a wonderful depth of flavor. While the peppers are roasting, prepare the filling. Combine cooked quinoa, black beans, corn, diced tomatoes, and spices like cumin, chili powder, and smoked paprika. This mixture is packed with protein and nutrients. Once the peppers are ready, spoon the quinoa mixture generously into each roasted pepper half. Make sure to fill them up to the brim for maximum flavor. Now it's time to add some cheese. Sprinkle your choice of cheddar, Monterey Jack, or feta on top of the stuffed peppers. The cheese will melt beautifully and add a creamy texture. Place the stuffed peppers back in the oven and bake for another 10-15 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly. This final bake melds all the flavors together. Serve your stuffed peppers with a dollop of sour cream or guacamole and garnish with fresh cilantro. These toppings add a refreshing contrast to the warm, savory peppers. Get ready for a flavor explosion. These stuffed peppers are not just a meal, they're an experience. Enjoy every bite. Next, a chickpea and spinach curry that'll blow your socks off. Heat a pan with coconut oil, add chopped onions, garlic, and ginger. Sauté until fragrant, then add curry powder. Add diced tomatoes, chickpeas, and coconut milk. Simmer for 15 minutes to meld the flavors. Stir in fresh spinach just before serving. Serve with fluffy basmati rice. Zucchini noodles with pesto, light, fresh, and packed with flavor. This dish is perfect for a quick, healthy meal that doesn't compromise on taste. Use a spiralizer to create zucchini noodles. It's a fun and easy way to turn your zucchini into beautiful curly noodles that are a great low-carb alternative to pasta. Heat olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the zucchini noodles and cook for 2-3 minutes, stirring occasionally. This will soften the noodles while keeping them slightly crunchy. For the pesto, blend fresh basil, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, garlic, olive oil, salt and pepper in a food processor until smooth. This homemade pesto is bursting with fresh, vibrant flavors. Stir the freshly made pesto into the zucchini noodles along with halved cherry tomatoes. The tomatoes add a pop of color and a juicy sweetness that complements the pesto perfectly. Cook for another minute or two, allowing the flavors to meld together. Serve immediately for the best taste and texture. Top with toasted pine nuts and a generous sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. These toppings add a delightful crunch and a rich, nutty flavor. Enjoy the taste sensation of this light and fresh dish. A lentil and sweet potato shepherd's pie. Hearty, comforting, and perfect for a cozy meal. Start by peeling and chopping sweet potatoes into chunks. Boil them in a pot of water until they are tender and easily pierced with a fork. For the filling, sauté finely chopped onions and diced carrots in a pan until they are soft and fragrant. Add cooked lentils and fresh or frozen peas to the pan, stirring to combine. Pour in vegetable broth and sprinkle in some thyme. Let the mixture simmer until it thickens and the flavors meld together beautifully. Meanwhile, mash the boiled sweet potatoes with a generous amount of butter, a splash of milk, and season with salt and pepper to taste. Spread the savory lentil mixture evenly in an oven-proof dish, making sure to cover the entire bottom. Top the lentil mixture with the creamy mashed sweet potatoes, spreading them out to create a smooth layer. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or until the top is golden brown. Serve hot with a side of steamed greens for a complete nutritious meal. Enjoy the ultimate comfort food. Mediterranean Buddha bowl, light and refreshing. Cook grains like quinoa or brown rice. Prep veggies, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, feta cheese, and olives. Assemble bowls with a base of greens, cooked grains, and veggies. Add hummus, fresh herbs, olive oil, and lemon juice. Customize with your favorite flavors. Enjoy the fresh and vibrant meal. And there you have it. 5 delicious and healthy vegetarian dinner ideas. See, vegetarian food doesn't have to be boring. Like, comment and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Happy cooking!